really, I just appreciate her ongoing encouragement and support. She's just really caring, and I just really appreciate all of her encouragement. I was just really unsure about this process when I started, and I guess I had very little confidence, I guess, in myself, and she really tried to I guess build up my confidence and say, like, you can do it, and try to encourage me, like, not to give up and stuff. So yeah. She was really patient. She had Anisha seems to have a lot of experience with the whole like self-publishing realm as far as writing a children's book, but also just a lot of experience just kind of from her own time with writing, as kind of understanding the pros and cons of like both sides, or the range of trying to like publish yourself versus going through like different publishing houses. And also just kind of the unique experience of trying to write a children's book kind of for children as well, because I mean, she's an ECE, I'm a registered ECE as well. So kind of considering about how to write a book to kind of connect to your audience. Definitely appreciated her kind of insight and encouragement to kind of step out to be I guess like a speaker, or like your story is important as well, and how to kind of share that story in a way. So there's like the actual like book itself, but then what does it mean to step out as far as sharing your story or being an advocate in a number of different ways, or just being an advocate more overall. I guess kind of like stepping out in an empowering way. I appreciated learning that from Anisha. I think she's really fun and engaging. She tries to, because I also participated, besides support with writing a book, with her ECE boss coaching group. And so it was myself and a couple of other ECE that were trying to get into the entrepreneurial side. Just being really wanting to keep things really engaging, interactive, so we all get to kind of share our feedback and kind of encourage each other. I guess, as opposed to being like listen and follow me or you're out, it was kind of let's all kind of work together. So it was really collaborative as well, so that I appreciate it. I would, if I had other friends that were in the process of trying to like write their book, or kind of figure out their like next steps in working in like childcare, especially if they work in childcare for a long time and they're thinking about their next steps and kind of like how to branch out and do more. I would definitely recommend Anisha.